Relative speed asks whether two coaches close by adding speeds or by subtracting them. Today you will pick opposite versus same direction first, then clear the sum of lengths. By the end, you will convert relative speed to meters per second and time both a head-on pass and a same direction pass. Before calculating, separate what stays fixed from what changes. The lengths to clear are fixed once you know the objects. Direction, opposite or same, changes which relative speed you use. On the board, write towards each other as u plus v, and same direction as faster minus slower, the absolute difference. First move picks that relative speed. Carry that idea forward. For objects with length, the length to clear is the sum of the two lengths. For points or poles, only the gap between them. Keep the clearing picture and write the chain. Lengths in meters means convert relative speed with times 5/18 to meters per second, then divide the clearing length by that speed. Decision rule: never mix kilometers per hour with meters. Now set up opposite relative speed 126 kilometers per hour gives 35 meters per second. Now opposite. 72 plus 54 equals 126 kilometers per hour. 126 times 5 divided by 18 equals 35 meters per second. Now finish opposite and same direction times for 300 m. Now, opposite v rel equals 35 meters per second. Now length to clear equals 120 plus 180 equals 300 m. Now 300, divided by 35 about 8.57 s. Now same direction. 72 minus 54 equals 18 kilometers per hour equals 5 meters per second. 300 divided by 5 equals 60 s, about 8.57 s opposite. 60 s same direction. The trap, clearing length never changed, times inverse to relative speeds, 60, 8.57 equals 7 equals 126, 18. Trap check. The ratio of the two answers, 60 to 8.57, is exactly 7, and so is 126 to 18. The clearing length never changed, so the times are in the inverse ratio of the relative speeds. Once you have one answer, the other is a single multiplication. Before arithmetic on a relative speed question, which quantity must you identify first? The answer is direction, opposite versus same, plus whether length sum or only a gap counts. Direction picks add versus subtract. Object type picks L1 plus L2 versus gap. You can now pick opposite or same, clear the right length sum, convert to meters per second, and divide. Comment below with one step that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the next relative speed follow-up lands in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill relative speed while this is fresh.